Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c colon and hit enter. Then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows / system32 / config / regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space / export space c colon / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c colon \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.